Some places don't ask for your attention. They demand it. Benwiskin is one of them. A narrow ridge, rising like a blade, so sharp, so strange, it feels like a glitch in the earth. There's no shelter here, no trees, just wind, silence, and sky. It's the kind of mountain you don't just climb, you experience it. And when you're standing on the edge, looking down, it doesn't feel like Ireland anymore. It feels like the earth forgot to round off this part. Benwiskin isn't a destination, it's a question. And every time I come here, I still don't know the answer. But this land, it holds more than just silence. It holds stories, old ones. The elders used to say the Seedy watched from these heights. Not from beneath the hills, but from above. That when mist gathers at the peak, it's not weather, it's warning. That warriors once vanished into the clouds, leaving no trail, only wind. Some believe the mountain remembers every oath sworn, every footstep taken with fear. They say it listens, and sometimes it answers. Benwiskin is more than a mountain. It's a blade between worlds. And if you're quiet enough, you might hear what came before, or what's still waiting, just out of view.